So I get asked all the time by artists and crafters how to take workshops and courses online to be able to teach effectively and easily and on a budget. So with my background as a professional photographer, I've been able to do this with my own workshops for crafts and to be able to do this in a way that really works for both the tutor and the person who is being taught. For the first time ever, I'm going to be teaching a small group of students how to take their art and craft skills and to teach workshops and courses online so that they can generate more income, stop the stressful roller coaster of unpredictable sales, and grow their businesses through reaching more people online who are there already now looking for their help. So if you're done with struggling on your own to be able to get your arts and craft courses online and you'd like to be part of the special training that I'm going to be offering, please either DM me or leave me a comment and I'll get back to you with the details of how you can join us.